Next, we have to discuss the reflection of waves. We have already discussed that progressive wave is given by yxt. This is the displacement of the media element at a position x and at time t is equal to a is the amplitude sine kx minus omega t if it is moving in plus x direction. Now, there are the two cases that if progressive wave get reflected from the close end, or we can say fixed end, then it is to be remembered that there will be a phase difference of pi between incident wave and reflected wave. Similarly, reflection may take place from the open end, or we can say free end. In this case, there is no phase change between incident wave and reflected wave. So for the given progressive wave, if we write the equation for reflected wave from fixed end or the close end, then it will be written as y1xt. It is equal to a sine kx plus omega t. Earlier the wave was moving in plus x direction, and after reflection it will move in minus x direction. So for that we are taking the plus sign, and there is a phase difference of pi, so we are adding a phase difference. So we can write also it is minus a sine kx plus omega t. Example of this case is, suppose a string which is fixed on the vertical bar, and if a wave train is set up in the string moving in plus x direction, then on reaching the fixed end it try to push the end up, but because being it fixed it is unable, and because of the Newton's action reaction law, this pulse get a reaction and it's get pi out of phase. So there is a phase difference of pi, and amplitude remains same, and it moves in minus x direction, and same is represented by the equation. This is the equation number 1. Similarly, if wave get reflected from open end, or we can say it is free end. For example, the string attached to a ring, and this ring is supported by the wall, vertical bar, and a wave train is set up as earlier done in plus x direction, then this wave train on reaching the ring, and ring is free to move up and down, causes this ring move up, and after that this ring come down, and resulting a pulse which is moving in the negative x direction. This is the reflected wave, and there is no phase change, so we can write the reflected wave, say y2 xt will be equal to a sine, same amplitude, and moving in opposite direction, that is negative x direction, so we will write here plus omega t, and there is no phase change, so it is equation number 2. So equation number 1 gives the reflected wave from a fixed end which have the phase difference of pi between incident and the reflected ray, and second equation gives the reflected wave from a free end or the open end, and this wave has same phase as the incident wave.